Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished this look by using the Do My Eyes collection, and I'm very blessed to get this because it was very worth it, and you guys will see in the video. And I'm going to be reviewing this, and I just want to say that she did a really good job with this one, and yeah. Okay, so we are going to be opening the box, and we just got the box like today actually. I'm going to open it. Ooh, so excited. Okay, hold on. Oh, it looks so pretty. I'm just gonna throw this out. So you just see a box that looks like this. Oh, and by the way, like, excuse my musty nails, like they're really bad just because I got my wisdom teeth taken out like a week ago. And I don't have an appointment till like next Saturday, so I'm like, what am I gonna do without my nails? So let me see this. It's just like a season's greeting by Colourpop. It's like that. And then you just see the package, and the package just looks so nice. Like, it looks super nice. Like, can you guys see? It looks so pretty. Like, and the back, it's like what's inside. So it has like the palette, the three lipsticks or lip glosses, and then the I don't know how to say it, but it's a scope, and that's what this is based off of. It's just like a it's like a based off of a scope, right? Like that she wanted and she saw, and it's Through My Eyes, and it's the Iluvsarahii x Colourpop. So she collaborated with Colourpop, and this is like her second collaboration, like third, but like this one's like with the palette, the second palette. And yeah, so I'm first going to show you guys what this thing is. This is the PR, by the way. This is a PR packaging, so it comes with like everything. And this is like it says Through My Eyes, and it has her name, and it's just where you could see through. You guys, look, you can see. You guys can't see anything, but yeah, you could just look through it, and like shows really cool things. Like it shows, you know. So yeah, it has that. And then for the palette is the pressed powder palette, and it has all the names of like the shadows right here, which is really unique. And the packaging is just like, just looks super good. Yeah, it looks super good. Like, look at her eyes. Like, this is amazing. Let's open it. And I really don't know what look I'm gonna do with this, to be honest, but let's see. So it has, this is how it looks like in the inside of it. It's like, has like these colors, and I'll name them with you guys. So this is Misbehave at the bottom. It's like a reddish color, and then, or like pinkish reddish. And then it has Moody, it has Muse, Divina, Flex. I think from all of these, to be honest, the one that catches my eye like the most has to be the yellow color, because it's really hard to like find palettes that have yellow, because I never really get ones that have yellow, so it's like the first one that I'm like, oh my god, there's yellow. So it's called Wild Soul. And also, yeah, like they're really pretty. And an ultra glossy lip. So it's a lip bundle, right? So it's the glass lip, the cocoa one, and the Douce. So that's what we're gonna be looking at. If I could open it. I miss my nails because sometimes I can't open things without nails. It's weird, huh? I'm gonna take them all out. And it's like the lips. Her packaging is with like lips instead with this one. So yeah. So there's 3 of them. And I already know which one's gonna be my favorite. Honestly, all of them, because I love like all of these colors. Like, I love pinks and but I think my favorite color to put on is gonna be the nude one, because, you know, I don't have any good nude lips, and I hope this is a really good one, because I'm just like, I've never had like a really good nude, and you know, I hope this one's really good. So it's like the 3, and this one's like glittery, guys. This one's like more glittery, and then this one's pinkish, and then this one's nude. So yeah, we're just gonna go straight into the palette. And the good thing is that it has a mirror, and a lot of palettes nowadays do not have mirrors. Like, it's annoying when you don't have mirrors, to be honest. I'm just gonna be honest, because I get annoyed. I'm like, where am I gonna look at when I do my eyeshadow? Because I like to look at something close up. So what I'm going to be doing, is there a transition shade in here? Well, I'm gonna get some Scotch tape, and this is just the Scotch tape. And I always use tape because it just helps me like wear, like, you know, to have a sharp, you know, clean look. I just like that look. But I don't know. What is it? I'm going to be shaping my eyes or putting concealer just so it could be easier. And I just put 2 dots. Put on both sides. I have my eyeshadows and like all this, so it's like, I mean my brushes and all of this, so it's kind of hard to find. I might have put too much in. But I just love that it has a mirror. Like, I'm impressed. I'm gonna use the Morphe Jezel JH3 brush. I'm gonna go in with this pink color. Can't really pronounce that word, but yeah. I'm gonna put that in my crease also. Just like in your crease. Packing it on like the outer corners and the inner corner. I'm gonna be using the Morphe Jekyll & Hill JH41. Looks like this. It's like a flat brush. So yeah, so I'm gonna grab Moody. It's like a bluish teal color. Like, it's really pretty though. Like, let's see how it turns out though. Just keep packing it on, and then you're gonna blend it out. Like, the more and more I play with it, the more and more I like it. But this is like an extra kind of look. By the way, just want to say Happy New Year's Eve. Because today's New Year's Eve and I'm filming for you guys. Yes, that's fun. So once I have this going on, you could just keep, I think I'm just gonna keep playing with it until I actually like how it looks. But I actually like it. Like, I'm still gonna play with it, but yeah. So basically, I have that going on, and then let me see. For the middle lid, I'm going to be using. I think I'm gonna use this gold one, just because I like gold. Let me swatch it. So there's this one right here. I'm gonna swatch it on my wrist. Wow. Can you guys see? I don't think you guys can see that good. But it's really pretty. I think I'm gonna use that middle shade. It is really pretty. Okay, so for that I'm going to be using oh, so I got this Jaclyn Hill set for Christmas. Well, no, for my birthday actually. From my aunt Ceci. Love you. If you're watching, love you. So I'm just going to grab that gold one. It's like it's not really gold, but actually I'm gonna spray it with just my Mario desk. I'm just gonna go back in and like blend more. It's like so like the colors are just nice. Fucking obsessed. Like I'm obsessed right now. Like okay, I'm back. Finally back. I put on my eyelashes really fast and that makes a big difference, you know? Anyway, so I'm going to be moving on to the lips, guys. Dun, dun, dun. Let me take this lipstick off though. So I'm just gonna be doing one color and then I'll just do the swatches on my story, my Instagram story or my Snapchat. And I'm going to be using the one I wanted to try. The nude. Go. So it doesn't have lip liners. So I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick in the Dulce, and I'm gonna use a lip liner for it. I'm going to be taking this one, this color. I'm excited. I wonder how it's going to look. This is gonna be my favorite. I love it. It looks so pretty. It just looks super like it just looks super good. Like, well, this is just for the look, but yeah, I'm like really obsessed with this color, guys. Like, it's just like a perfect nude that like you can wear like every like day. And yeah, I'm just gonna add more because I like it. This is bomb AF. I recommend buying everything. I mean, I haven't even tried the other ones, but like I love this. Like I just loved it. Also, I almost forgot. I'm going to be packing it under my eyelashes, under my eyelashes, and I almost forgot to put mascara under my eyelashes too. I'm so obsessed. And then just going to be spraying my Urban Decay long-lasting all-nighter spray, and I'm like just so happy with this. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Yeah. So that concludes my look for today, guys. I'm super obsessed. I recommend going in to buy this because it is worth your money. It is honestly the best, I think, and I'm really glad I got it. And yeah, it's just so amazing. Yeah, guys, go buy this. Go buy it because it's worth your money, and I love it. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, like, you know, review, and I hope you guys buy it. And if you guys do, just like show me, because it's really good, you know, it's really good, and I just recommend it. It's just amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like, and you know, turn on your post notifications to see my, you know, newer videos that are coming up, because I have another video that's coming up. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like, it wasn't like a tutorial or anything, but it was a review of the Through My Eyes palette and liquid lipstick that I tried. And make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat so you guys can see the other swatches of the lips that I didn't try on today for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure, you know, to stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.